Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly duplicate a sheet. Let's get started. If you want to create a new spreadsheet, you may not want to start from a blank sheet. For example, if you have something like an invoice, you wouldn't want to design each invoice from scratch every time. So it is often better to duplicate an existing sheet. And there is a very quick shortcut to do this. All we do is hold down the Control key on the keyboard, then click and drag the tab, and releasing the mouse will create an exact copy of the sheet. At this point, I'm going to delete the previous data and leave the cell information that has formulas, so I don't have to retype them. And now, I have a new invoice ready to be used. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.